Here we are after Thanksgiving and right before Christmas, or before December in 2020. And if you can't see them, these flags here, 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 and back there are all marking where I'm going to dig holes for fruit trees to go in. And we'll have peaches and apples and nectarines and a plum tree and a peach tree, and right there is the fig tree Colin got us. And then we'll have blackberry bushes back there, and right here where my true love is we'll have two more blueberry bushes. There's one that I'm sort of trying to work on. So there's another view of it there, and here's where I dug out the Japanese maple and moved it back there because it was struggling. It was having a hard time in that heat, we think. So it's back here where it'll get more shade over in the summertime. So as you can see from here, here's another one. But that's how the orchard and berry patch will look. And the idea is that it's going to get sun coming across in the summertime all the way. As the sun comes across, we'll get full sun for all of these trees here. We've noticed over the past couple of years that this area really gets a lot of sun heated up, so we do it this way, and then we'll capture that sun and turn it into beautiful fruit. So we'll keep you updated on this project. Well, alright, so I think this is all the holes for now. There's our little metasequoia back there, and there's the two holes for the blackberries. This is probably going to be a pear tree or a plum. And then there's our fig. And here's our plum or pear. And then over here we have all of our other trees, our peaches, apples, and nectarines over here. So there's the holes for all of them, including the bomb shelter hole. So there's that one back there. They don't look like much, but it takes a bit to dig through some of this stuff. So the idea is you fill them up with water and see how fast the water drains out. So these are all sitting overnight, but here we have one. There's a little bit of water left in the bottom. So usually that clears up after it's soaked for a day or two. The idea is we don't want to have the roots drowned all the time by having too much water standing in the bottom. So, sorry for moving around a lot here, but get the lay of the land here. So, here's the house. We come around the yard here, and here's going to be the new orchard. So, trees over here, and trees along here, there, and back there. So, all ready for the trees to be available. I'll go pick them up. There's a local grower that has all these trees available and berries. So, we'll pick this up once the trees are here, and I'll show you that. So the other thing I've done is put lime in the bottom of each hole, just so we can get it all the way down to the bottom. Apparently, the lime or the calcium carbonate has a hard time making it down through the soil, so I'll help that out by putting some at the bottom. Anyhow, enough digging for today. We're going to have a lot of rain this afternoon, and then the temperature starts dropping radically. Alright, signing out. So here are the fruit trees. Doesn't look like much when you get them all stacked up there. I don't know if you can see this. This is the trees all wrapped up here. That's the two blueberries. There's the wrapping, and these are all the different trees. All those tags are different trees. So just drop it right there. So we'll get those unwrapped and start putting them into their new homes, which is going to be out there. Well, there's a little pile of twigs that are going to go in these holes, and hopefully Next video I show will be them with a little bit of greenery coming out. Recap: peach, 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 nectarine, apple, 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 and I think that's the pear back there. And over here we have 2 blueberry bushes, and over there we have a plum and 2 blackberry bushes. Sorry, I'm going to point in the right place. So starting to lose daylight out here, so come out tomorrow and neaten everything up and I'll show you how that looks. So here's the fruit trees. You can see them all here. There's one there. And I'm bringing mulch in to cover this whole area. It looks pretty messy right now, but what I'll do is run the lawn tractor over the top of it and mulch it all down, and it should look pretty nice. But the idea is to get a good thick layer of mulch on this to help retain the water so the fruit trees always have wet feet.